So guys, I have launched a new platform on Teachable that is called Red Team Sorcery. Here you will find all the cybersecurity and red teaming courses for affordable prices. For currently, I have uploaded two of my courses from Udemy. One is Offensive C Sharp and another one is Awesome Pivoting. So Offensive C Sharp is $30 on Udemy. Udemy is bumping up the prices so to $50 or $60, but at this redteamsorcery.teachable.com you will get the course for as low as $30. And currently Awesome Pivoting course is also $30, but it is on sale for $10 only, and this course will be at $10 for the next 24 hours. And you can see the contents are so good, and we will be learning C Sharp basics, and we will also be writing a simple C2 server in Python, and then we will be seeing how to interact with Active Directory and automate the Active Directory attacks with C Sharp. And we will also see some privilege escalation techniques I did not mention here, but there are videos about that, and some persistence technique and Windows API, and we will also do token enumeration, and we will be seeing the normal shellcode and DLL injections, backdooring portable executables, writing a parser, PE parser, and we'll be also writing our PE64 loader. So we'll be loading the our Metasploit payloads and Mimikatz using our own loader, and we will see the process harrowing technique and thread queue APC injections and API hashing to hide the function names, and finally we will be seeing API hooking. Also more and more content will be added from time to time, and that content will be uploaded here and also on Udemy platform. Both platform gets updated, but Udemy has high prices. So here you can see almost like 20 hours of content, and if you practice this you will become a good red teamer and also malware developer. So the current price is $30, and the price won't go high. And this next course is Awesome Pivoting. So this course is all about pivoting, various techniques and tools to pivot into the internal network. So this course will be helpful if you are doing any certifications. You can see I have added few reviews here. We'll be using, first we'll be seeing Netcat and Socat, and then we'll be bypassing firewall. We'll be using SSH to tunnel, and also we'll be seeing proxy chains, and we will also see the Metasploit modules for pivoting, and we will be looking at the pivoting entire network with Chisel. So Chisel is my favorite tool, and we will also see some VPN tunnels, and then reverse relays with Netcat and DNS tunnels. Though DNS tunnels are very slow, but it can be somewhat evasive, so I have included this one. And finally we will be seeing ICMP tunneling and web shell. So these two courses are currently on the platform, and more courses will be added, and another new course will be added in mid of this January 2023. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy my courses.